If you give people too much respect and end up being disrespected, then this story is for you. It may change how you see your life forever. Once upon a time, in a city of Yarrow, lived a man called Elias. No one hated Elias. That was the problem. People smiled at him, used his name gently, spoke about him like furniture, useful, quiet, always there. Elias was raised to believe respect was survival. His father told him, "Lower your head and you'll avoid trouble." His mother added, "Endure quietly, God sees." So Elias endured. He apologized before speaking, apologized for taking space, apologized when others were late, apologized when they were wrong. At work, Elias became the silent foundation everyone stood on. When deadlines collapsed, he stayed. When mistakes were made, his name filled the reports. When praise arrived, it stopped just short of him. No one asked if he was tired. They assumed he was available. One afternoon, his manager leaned across the desk and said, "I need you to handle this. You're dependable." Elias wanted to say no. He felt it rise in his chest, heavy, trembling. Instead, he nodded. That night, something died quietly. Not his body, his voice. And once your voice dies, people stop seeing you as human. They see you as capacity. His coworkers stopped asking. They started assigning. Elias will handle it. Give it to him. He doesn't mind. They were wrong. He minded. But respect had trained him to suffer in silence. When Elias tried to explain once, just once, someone laughed and said, "Relax. You're always so dramatic." That sentence carved itself into him. From that day on, he learned a dangerous truth. People don't hear pain from those who never defend themselves. 5 years passed. A promotion opened. Everyone knew Elias deserved it. But the position went to Mark, the loud one, the careless one, the man who spoke over people and never apologized. Elias congratulated him. Mark clapped his shoulder and said, "Couldn't have done it without you," and walked away. That night, Elias stared at the ceiling and wondered, how did I give everything and still become nothing? The night that broke him was ordinary. A stranger shoved Elias at a bus stop. Hard, no apology. Elias stepped back, mumbled, "Sorry." The man turned, looked him up and down and smiled. Not a friendly smile. A predator's smile. "Watch where you're going," the man said. Elias nodded. The bus arrived. But something inside Elias didn't. At home, Elias stood in the bathroom, staring at his reflection. And for the first time, he felt disgust. Not at the world, at himself. Because he finally understood. Every time you bow unnecessarily, you teach people where to place their feet. Weeks later, Elias visited an old neighbor, Mr. Kola, a man feared for his silence, respected for his boundaries. Elias confessed everything. Mr. Kola listened and said one sentence. "You weren't respectful. You were afraid." That truth hit harder than any insult. Mr. Kola continued, "Respect that costs you. Your dignity is not virtue. It is slow suicide." Elias tried to change. The first time he said no, his hands shook. People reacted immediately. "What's wrong with you? You've changed. You're being difficult." Difficult. That's what people call you when you stop being convenient. Some pulled away. Some became hostile. Because when a doormat stands up, it scares those who stood on it. Elias gained respect, but he lost years. He lost opportunities. He lost confidence. He lost pieces of himself he could never fully recover. Some damage doesn't heal, it only teaches. And that was the darkest truth of all. This is what no one tells you. Excessive respect invites contempt. Endless patience trains people to abuse you. Silence does not make you noble, it makes you invisible. So hear this before it's too late. If you don't protect your worth, the world will spend it for you. Because people don't disrespect you suddenly. They learn, one apology at a time.